Hello, Komakech Patrick is my name. I come from Agago district in northern Uganda. I am a local community leader that is based in northern Uganda. I am the chairperson Workers League and the National Register Movement. Today I have decided to give my views about the candidature of Dr. Otunnu for the position of UN Secretary General. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency General Yoweri Museveni Kagota, for endorsing Dr. Otunnu for this position. As a community leader in Agago district, I know Dr. Otunnu for around 4 things. Number 1, he associates freely with these community people. Having worked at international level, Dr. Otunnu is able to associate freely with these people in Mujini. He participates in community activity like opening community roads, cleaning around his local community church, and many other development activities in Mujini, his local community area. Secondly, I also know Dr. Otunnu as a peacemaker. He easily forgives those who offend him, and he has mediated very many conflicting parties. Thirdly, Dr. Otunnu has been at the forefront of initiating very many community development initiatives in northern Uganda, like for example the Rochupajo program, which is currently touching many lives of young people through scholarship, through improved livelihood. Therefore, with his experience and expertise in national and international politics, we are confident that if Dr. Otunnu is given this position, UN General Secretary, he is going to be the best candidate. He is going to, together with his colleagues, he will provide leadership of a difference to the nation at large. I therefore continue to request the government of Uganda to give Dr. Otunnu all the necessary support which is needed for him to reach out his voters, for him to reach out the different delegates that will be voting in their election. I say this for God and my country. I remain Komakech Patrick, a local community leader in Agago district.